Good evening, ma'am. To begin with, could you please give us a brief introduction into your organization and what you do?
Hello everyone, I am Isha Chandi from Deepak Builders and Developers Director. We are a real estate firm and organization established into real estate past 36 years in Nasik. As we see around, we have delivered more than 100 projects in Nasik in and around. And currently we have 18 ongoing projects into commercial, residential, mixed use, hospitality and good infrastructural developments. We are mainly rooted in Nasik and we have delivered around 2.5 million square feet of area. So
Wow.
in and around, yes. And we're really looking forward to bring Nasik on the global map. And we have also crossed hands with and tied hands with the World Trade Center. So we are coming up at World Trade Center also now, yeah.
Congratulations on
Thank you.
that.
Thank
Is this
you.
your first time in LIBF Expo or?
Yes.
Oh wow.
So this is our first time and it's a great platform for everyone. It's a great platform for us as well. And it's great to display our projects amongst such great people and organization who have the same wavelength and are really looking forward to grow together.
How do you think LIBF can help you as an organization? And if you have any key takeaways from this expo, please,
Yeah.
we would like to know.
I think the people are really, attuned with the notion of business in terms of doing well and growing together, as I said. So we are really meeting the best of people who are interested in our projects, and it's a great platform to meet across and know them and really understand the market in terms of what LIBF community and the business community in general needs and is in demand of. So we are getting to know about that, and it's a great platform to showcase and be around. Yeah.
Wow, superb.
Thank you.
If you could share any future plans or if you have any vision for your organization, we would absolutely
Yeah.
love to know.
So our vision is to bring Deepak Builders and Developers on the global map. We are really looking for a great expansion, not just in real estate, but also diversification into different infra projects. And we have greatly done so forward with Nasik and want to come to the national forefront as well. So our vision is to really be a value addition and create value in terms of all the houses, communities we are building, the projects we are doing, and to have a quality around and where every customer is an addition to our home. So we are really looking to build a culture around it.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
That sounds very lovely.
Yes, thank
I
you.
hope you have a good time. One last thing, if you
Yeah.
have any message for our viewers here today, please share.
I think it's a LIBF is a great community overall. It feels like a family, and everyone should visit here and take a great exposure in all different kinds and categories and variety that it has in terms of different businesses, different platforms, different people coming together. So do visit, and it's a whole global kind of an exposure. So it's an international level which is right there in the city. So it's a great thing to have here.
Thank you so
Yes.
much, ma'am.
Yeah.
I wish you all the best
Thank
and
you.
have a good day.
Thank you so much. Thank you.